Good evening students, welcome back to my channel. So we all know if any substance density is less than water, obviously that substance will float on the surface of water. Even ice is made up of water, but still that ice will float on water. So now the question is, among cold water and hot water, which is less denser and which is more denser? So here in front of you, I kept two glasses. One is filled with cold water. This is normal water. This is transparent one. And I added little turmeric to this hot water. Now this is hot water. So now the question is, what happen if I tilt this transparent water, I mean cold water, onto this? Whether this yellow color hot water will mix with this or will it remain stable on that same position? Let us check. So for that one, carefully we have to do this, or else both are made up of glasses. Okay. Okay. Yes. Now observe carefully what happened here. So bottom glass consists of hot water and top glass consists of cold water. Now what happened exactly here? So the cold water is more denser than this hot water. That's why it tried to go to the down, and the hot water is less denser, so that it tried to come up. So that is the reason why it come onto the top of this cold water. This is the first case. Okay. Now we will do the second one. My God. Okay. So I will do the next activity. That means I will take hot water on the top and cold water on the bottom side. Give me a second. Now this right side glass consists of hot water. So I'm adding little turmeric to this. Already I got burning in my hand. It is too hot. So I had to be very careful while doing such type of activities. So or else you will get skin burns. That's what actually I got now. Even though I have a hand glove, but still I got some hand burn here. Okay, let us see what happens. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I will try to add. So I will try to add. So this hot water on the top of this cold water glass. So I think so I got severe burn. Okay, completely skin gets damaged. Right, okay. Will do now. Okay, for that what we have to do? First we must close this. See, you can observe the vapor which is coming out of this. This is really too hot. Guys, it's really very hot. And observe carefully. So the bottom portion, the transparent water remains stable there only. So the reason for that one is it is not allowing that cold water. I mean, cold water is not allowing that hot water to come onto the top of this. So like this we can demonstrate. So you can observe carefully. So the bottom portion is still transparent. So that means this is cold water portion. So this cold water is not allowing the hot water to mix with it. So with this we can demonstrate that. So hot water is less denser when compared with the cold water. Thank you so much. I have a severe burn. See, even though we did with precautions, I got completely skin damage here. Thank you so much.